Today and throughout the week, we're out here up at the Cincu Training Area. The Romanian land forces have been gracious enough to let us use their land to train. And what we're doing is we're doing a squad live fire. So we have a squad, we'll infill onto this range complex under live fire conditions and conducting movement and maneuver training, where we've got roughly anywhere from 7 to 10 sappers moving down and securing an objective. This is our third training opportunity that we've had out here in Romania, and the soldiers have been able to take everything that they've learned with their cold weather gear, be confident in the gear that they have, and I've seen over a course of the days and as the training progresses, they've really been more comfortable with their equipment fighting on this and training on this different terrain that we have here. So we're going to continue refining, building masters at our craft. By the end of this, at the squad level, we're going to continue to build our lethality, become subject matter experts, and continue training towards everything from shoot, move, communicate, as well as our pickup zone operations and our air assault operations with our aviation assets. And each squad is going to come out here even more prepared to train on any terrain and anywhere at any time.